Hello everyone, hope all of you are very good. As we previously started lecture on material science and material engineering, and at this our channel, Material Research and Learning. However, due to some reason we have stopped it. It is only due to the time. However, we are coming back, and I will start the lectures, very fundamental lectures about the material science, engineering, nanoscience, and their application in different scientific domain. We will start our lectures with the material research, material learning, fundamental of material science, then science and technology based on material engineering, and then we will start uploading the lectures about the nanoscience and engineering and nanotechnology. We will very thoroughly study what is the importance of newly growing this nanomaterial in different scientific domain. For example, nowadays the nanomaterials are getting a lot of attention in biomedical, defense, textile, heavy industries, everywhere. So whatever the conventional engineering and applications we are seeing nowadays, they are going to replace by the nanomaterial and nanotechnologies. So this channel is dedicated to the this material research and nanoscience and technology. As you know, this lecture is completely free, without any ad, and we are trying our best to stop all the ads and any commercial advertisement from the from YouTube. So we will in initial we will cover the fundamental of the material science and engineering, then we will cover nanoscience and engineering, then we will start talking applied nanotechnology, and then we will advance research and engineering things like preparation of nanomaterials, industrial scale production, and what is the drawback of different kind of nanomaterials. Also, we will try our best to cover each and every research update related to this material science and research, especially carbon nanomaterials. We will give a high quality research update, also research update about the carbon nanostructures along with other nanomaterials. So this time we will try to continue and keep adding the quality work related to nanoscience and engineering. It was unfortunate that previously I have stopped. It was due to I was moving here and there, but okay, this time we will start very fundamental, since very fundamental, zero to apex we have to go, and we will keep learning about the science behind the nanotechnology, nano engineering, and surface engineering, all those fields which are growing very fast and very important for the modern technologies, especially the next generation technologies which are coming in the next 20 years or more than or 50 years. So this channel is going to dedicate completely for the learning, teaching, and discussing about the nanoscience and nano engineering, material science, without any commercial barriers. At present, this channel is not any commercially viable, and I will try my best to stop all the ads as I told you previously. So let's make this channel more visible to every institution, to every student, and access to everyone who is very interested in nanoscience and engineering. I assure I will try my best to give the updates and research outputs what is going on in the field of nanoscience and technology, especially in a high-ranked universities like MITs, Stanford, Cambridge, in IITs, and other part of universities. So this is our goal with this channel. Previously, we have the same goal, but we couldn't complete. But this time, I will try my best to start it from very zero. No need. I assure you, anyone don't need any background of science or engineering, we will start from very zero, as like from LKG you have to grow. So in nanoscience and engineering, material science engineering, we will very small lectures we will produce. Along with this, a capsule information, as I tried in my previous videos, capsule information I will try to add. Suppose, what is the nanobuds, what is the graphene, why graphene is so exotic, why magazine is an alternative of graphene, new material. We will keep talking 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Meanwhile, we are preparing also long lectures, 30-minute lecture or 40 minutes lectures, so students can dedicate and learn from those lectures without any hindrance. Thank you very much.